Year 3, our Matilda vocabulary words for this week. I'm going to go through the slides just like we would in class, and I'd like you to pause them when you need to write down the example sentence and the word. And when we go back to school, we can stick them into your journal, into your vocabulary journal. So it's still a great idea to write them down because it really helps you remember, and it's always a great thing to have more writing practice. So the first word is boast. It helps if you say it out loud as well. So say it out loud with me. Boast. It means to talk with too much pride. Do you know anybody that boasts a lot? In Matilda, she also knew that he liked to boast, and she would egg him on shamelessly. A synonym is brag, and some antonyms are humility and modesty. He boasted about how much bigger his fish was. Do people really like it when other people boast? They don't really, do they? It makes them feel bad and a bit uncomfortable. We don't tend to like it when people boast too much. So there you go. There's your sentence slide. Pause it and write them down, and I'm going to go on. The next word is dote. To have or show too much love or affection, and usually we follow that with on or upon. So to dote on someone, or dote on something, or dote upon someone. In Matilda, if I were a teacher, I would cook up some real scorches for the children of doting parents. Some synonyms: adore, cherish, love dearly, and antonyms: ignore and neglect. The woman doted on her puppy and carried it around everywhere. She really loves that puppy, doesn't she? So she dotes on it. She shows it so much love and affection. What do you dote on? Or who dotes on you? There you go. Write that down. Nimble. Nimble. 2 syllables, that one. All the rest have been 1. It means quick and light in movement. In Matilda, her mind was so nimble and she was so quick to learn that her ability should have been obvious. So often when we use the word nimble, we talk about physical things with moving, but in Matilda, they talk about her mind being nimble. She's so quick and smart. Some synonyms are lively, light, quick, and agile. And antonyms are clumsy, awkward, and slow. The nimble sprinter moved quickly. There we go. Are you nimble? I'm not very nimble. I am much more awkward and slow, not nimble. Okay. Stunned. Now this one's pretty easy. Shocked or amazed. Have you ever been stunned about something? What kind of facial expression would you use when you're stunned, when you're so shocked and amazed? In Matilda, Mr. Phelps was stunned. Exactly how old are you, Matilda? She asked. Some synonyms: astound, astonish, and speechless. Antonyms: understand and clear. I was so stunned I couldn't speak. What's made you feel like that bird? What stunned you? Okay, the next word is resent. 2 syllables, resent or resent. It means to feel anger or bitterness about something, especially when it's unfair. What do you think the sample sentence is going to be using the word resent in this picture? Who might the boy resent, or what might the boy resent? In Matilda, she resented being told constantly that she was ignorant and stupid when she knew she wasn't. So she knew it was unfair and she felt angry about it. Synonyms are begrudge, dislike, or envy. And some antonyms are like and welcome. He resented that his sister's present was bigger. Is that what you were thinking the sample sentence might be? So there you go. Write it down. Okay, so now you can do some activities. You will have to go to the links on Canvas to get onto these. So there will be a link for a crossword and for Quizlet. Now Quizlet will take you to another website. You don't need to log in or anything, and you can go through the activities to practice these words. And there's different things to do. You can do matching, you can do filling the blanks, you can just flip the card and try to think of what the definition is and see if you get it right. And all these things will help you remember the words.